So good morning students. So next we continue, that is the continuity and differentiability chapter. In that we are going to solve these certain problems and also we have solved also. So in that find all the points of discontinuity of the function f of x is given by mod x divided by x if x is not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0, like this it is given. So not equal means we have already known. Not equal means what? So either it may be greater than or it may be less than. So we can redefine the given function. So we can redefine this given function. Whether it is over or not, I don't know. So I think so it is over this problem. So we'll take the another next problem which is given. It is over. X divided by mod x if x is less than 0 minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. Is greater than or equal to 0. So here we have already known that less than 0 means. Less than 0 means we know what the behavior of the mod function already. So we know the mod function is defined mod x is equal to x if x is greater than 0 minus x if x is less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0. X equal to 0. So then f of x is equal to, let me redefine according to that definition. Less than means what we have? Minus. X divided by minus x is equal to what? Minus. So that is x get cancelled. Minus 1 if x is less than 0. Minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. So let me consider, it is a constant function, it is continuous, already we know that. For x less than 0 is also continuous, x greater than 0 it is also continuous. At x equal to 0 we have to check. At x equal to 0, let me find out, inequality is given, let me find out RHL and LHL. LHL limit as x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to what we have? F limit as x tends to 0 minus less than 0 minus 1. Limit of constant itself only minus. So RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus, so f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ greater than 0, positive plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ minus 1. Again it is a constant, limit of constant. So both RHL and LHL are equal. LHL equal to RHL. So therefore limit as x tends to 0, f of x is equal to minus 1, which is equal to the value of the function, which is equal to f of 0. Therefore f is continuous at x equal to 0. And also it is continuous for every real number. Therefore there is no point of so for this there is no point of discontinuity. So So we not got any point of discontinuity for this given function. It is continuous for every real number. So next we move to the another problem. So next, f of x is equal to x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x less than 1. So here, so we have to find out all the point of discontinuity. All the points means all the real number. For all real number, for which real number it is discontinuous, we have to check. So but here if we clarify that greater than 1, so they are also a real number. For that greater than, but we have a function linear, a polynomial function. For x greater than 1, it is a linear function. We know already that is every polynomial function is continuous for every real number. So means it is continuous for x greater than 1. So x less than 1. For x less than 1, x square plus. It is also a polynomial. So means for less than, so it is a polynomial. So for every polynomial is continuous for every real number. Means at which point we have to check? The left at x equal to 1. So we have to check whether it is continuous or not continuous at x equal to 1. So let me check whether at x equal to 1 whether it is continuous or not. At x equal to 1. So what happens to the function? Let me find out the, so first limit inequality is given, means left hand limit LHL, limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 1. So left hand limit means less than 1. Less than means, so what we have? X square plus 1. If you put x equal to 1, what we know how to find the limit of the given function. So where there is x, we have to put the 1. So put 1 square 1 plus 1, that is equal to what we have? 2. So RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 f of x. So it is a plus, right hand side is equal to limit as x tends to 1. Right hand side means greater than 1. What we have? X plus 1. Substitute where there is a 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So it implies that RHL is equal to LHL. Therefore limit as x tends to 1 f of x is equal to 2 exists. So then we find out the value of the limit, value of the function f of 1 is equal to, f of 1 means at x equal to 1 what we have. So 1 plus 1 in x plus 1 plus 1, that is 2. So it implies that limit as x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. So limit of f of x as x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1, means the limit of the function is equal to value of the function. Therefore f is continuous at x equal to 1. So if it is continuous at x equal to 1, so next, so for x equal to x greater than 1 is a polynomial function. Implies that if x greater than 1, f of x is equal to x plus 1 is a polynomial function. Is a polynomial function. Therefore f is continuous x greater than 1, and if x less than f of x is x square plus 1 is a polynomial function. Therefore we know that every polynomial function is continuous. Therefore f is continuous x less than 1 also. So it is continuous at x equal to 1, and continuous at x greater than 1, and continuous at x less than 1. So it confirms that there is no point of discontinuity. Therefore hence f has no point of discontinuity. F has no point of discontinuity. This completes the problem. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x greater than 2, x greater than 2. So now here first we'll find out at x equal to 2. Later we'll discuss about whether it is continuous or not, greater than, less than. Already we came to know that less than 2 it is a polynomial, greater than 2 it is a polynomial. Every polynomial function is continuous. Therefore greater than 2 the function is continuous, less than 2 function is continuous. Only we have to check at x equal to 2 what happens to the function. A function at x equal to 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So if it is discontinuous at that point, so it is confirmed. First, so let at x equal to 2. So first LHS is equal to limit as x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 2 minus f of x means what we have to consider here, left hand limit means less than 2. Less than 2 means what we have, that is x cube minus 3. So put where there is x as a 2, that is 2 cube minus 3. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is equal to limit LHL is equal to 8 minus 3 5. Then we will find out the RHL. RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 2 plus, so what we have, greater than 2 what we have, x square plus 1. So put where there is x as a 2, 2 square plus 1. 2 square means 4, 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So here we got that is LHL and RHL are equal. RHL is equal to LHL. Therefore, limit as x tends to 2, f of x is equal to 5 is exist. And we will find out the value of the function f of 2. f of 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಏನಿದೆ x cube minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cube minus 3. 2 cube minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು 5 ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು 5. ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, limit as x tends to 2, f of x equal to f of 2. Therefore f is continuous. F is continuous at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. So next we will think about x less than x greater than. X less than 2, it is a polynomial equation, polynomial function. Already it is continuous. Greater than 2, again we have x square plus, it is a quadratic, which means a polynomial. So we know that every polynomial function is continuous. So if x less than 2, f of x is x cube minus 3, which is a polynomial function. Which is a polynomial function. So we know that every polynomial function is continuous. It implies that f is continuous at x less than 2. Seconds, if x greater than 2, f of x, what we have, x square plus 1, which is polynomial function, which is polynomial. So it implies that we know that every polynomial function is continuous. Implies that f is continuous at x greater than 2, therefore f has no point of discontinuous. F has no point of discontinuous. So this completes the problem. Next we move to the another problem. So for this, let me go to that is at x equal to 1 we will discuss. Later we move to that is x greater than less than whatever about this. First we will discuss at x equal to 1. So f of x is given x raised to 10 minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1, x square if x is greater than 1. For this function we have to discuss whether it is continuous or not. So if we got any point of discontinuity, we have to write that at which point it is discontinuous. So first we will find out the LHL. LHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus. So minus means less than 1. Less than means 1 means what we have? That is x raised to 10 minus 1. So put where there is x as 1. 1 raised to 10 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x means what we have? X square. So is equal to where there is x we have to put 1 square. So that is 1. So LHL is not equal to RHL. It implies that RHL is not equal to LHL. Therefore, limit as x tends to 1 f of x is not exist implies that f is discontinuous at x equal to 1. So next we have to think at x less than 1 and greater than. So if x less than f of x is x raised to 10 minus 1, which is a polynomial, polynomial function. So polynomial function means it is already continuous. We know that every polynomial function is continuous for every real number. It implies that f is continuous at x less than 1. Next, what is left? Greater than 1. If x greater than 1, f of x is x square, which is polynomial function implies that f is continuous at x greater than 1. Therefore here we got that So f at x equal to 1, f is a discontinuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, so we got the only one point we got, that is f is discontinuous at x equal to 1 only. So remaining for all the x greater than less than, it is continuous function. So this completes the problem. So next we come to, that is the function is given by f of x equal to x plus 5 if x is less than or equal to 1. F of x is x minus 5 if x is greater than 1. So first we will discuss whether it is continuous or not continuous at x equal to 1. Later we come to that, for a greater than 1, less than 1, we come to know remaining real number. What happens to the remaining real numbers, whether it is continuous or not continuous for the remaining real number. First we will discuss at x equal to 1. ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, at x equal to 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1. So RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1, f of x is equal to limit as x tends to 1. So RHL means plus. Plus indicates greater than. What we have? X minus. Put where there is x as 1. 1 minus 5 is equal to what we have? Minus 4. Minus LHL. LHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x minus in less than anything, limit as x tends to 1 less than anything, x plus 5. So put where there is x as 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 6, ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is not equal to RHL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore limit as x tends to 1, f of x is not exist. If it is not exist, then it is not continuous. Therefore f is discontinuous, continuous at x equal to 1. So let me check whether remaining real number. So it is at x equal to 1, it is discontinuous. So for the remaining real number, which are the remaining real number? Greater than 1 or less than 1. So let we verify whether it is a discontinuous for remaining real number or a continuous for remaining real number. Let me verify. It is discontinuous at x equal to 1. We have already verified it. So next we move to, that is if it is greater than 1, what happens? If it is less than 1, what happens? What that we'll discuss. If x greater than 1. So if x greater than, what is the function we have? F of x is equal to x minus 5, which is a linear. Linear is nothing but the polynomial function, which is a polynomial function, which is a polynomial function. Polynomial function implies that f is continuous. We know that every polynomial function is continuous at x greater than 1. If x less than 1, f of x is x plus 5, which is again a polynomial function. A linear can be written as a polynomial function. So implies that f is continuous at x less than 1. So here it confirms for every x greater than 1, less than, the function is continuous, but at x equal to 1 the function is discontinuous. That is only one point of discontinuous. So therefore finally, hence we will write that at x equal to 1 f is discontinuous. So this concludes the problems. So next, see here, yesterday we have conducted, that is a 25 marks test for you on the chapters relation and function and inverse. Some of you have returned, some of them they have not returned also, and they have not sent for me to verify whether. So today I will send your answer key for that, and check yourself. So and write that once again if you have not returned that answer. So please copy and write it. So whatever the question I have given for that, answers are also I am sending for you. So please see that and write those answers also. If you not return also, please write that those answers which I am going to send. So let practice it. So whether you are not able to understand or whatever it may be, so but write those answers carefully what I am going to send you. So thank you for